Mike Lester CH. Mike Lester CH. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share to you new tips that are good for the environment, especially your garden. And they are to recycle used coffee ground, including the paper filter, and also used face mask. Wow! Let's watch this! It's good to start your day with a cup of coffee, whether at home or at the office. Much more if you brew one instead of the unusual instant or 3-in-1 coffee. At the office, I collect used coffee ground. I place it on a separate bin and bring it home after. Meanwhile, let's see what's inside the face mask. Of course, we need a scissor. Alright, we have cut this face mask to see what's inside. So you can see here there are 3 layers for this one, but it always depends because when I check also another face mask, there's another kind of layer it has. So for this one, you can see here it's just similar to the wet wipes. So this is the outer shield for normally for those who have I believe when it's blue when you're sick, and then white if you're not. So this is the middle part. So this is actually making it filter the air that we breathe in. Right. And you can see that it can be recycled then. This one I will be using for my plants, and then I'm going to plant right now a Sansevieria and a Amaryllis plant. So for this, yeah, it's still useful. You don't throw it away, right? Let's start planting a Sansei. I found this fine black pot. Put inside the pot the used face mask. Add the broken clay pot. Then the soil mixture and the bird's nest snake plant. Pour some coffee ground. Then the white pebbles. Just add some art and we are done. We have an indoor plant decor. Now let's go to my garden. Hi guys, we're at the garden where my fish tank is also located. I'm investigating why there's some wilting here, but I seem to know already the reason. Actually, there are lots of like this. Last 2 days ago and I removed many. So what's causing it? But I see that it is because of this one here. Okay. So this one, lots of them actually. I have the solution just inside the house. I just prepared another coffee, so I need to have this filter because this one I bought the wrong size. Okay, let's bring this outside. Yep, here's some of the coffee ground. Just have to pour. Just have to dry it up if you like. So one of the best things that coffee can do for you is that pest do not like coffee. So here you just simply put it directly, and coffee is actually a good fertilizer, and it's high in nitrogen, thus good for the plants. This paper filter I'm not throwing away because I can use it still. This is similar to wet wipes. The difference is that this decomposes in a few months. You can also recycle this tea bag. They are good for the plants as well. You can place it around the roots of the orchids to promote growth. You can see here the wet wipes, and the other one is the paper filter. And also here there's growth as well. Let's have another used face mask. Put inside the pot. This will help in the drainage. Amaryllis. Now pour the coffee ground. Good job! I feel like planting another one. I have 4 hanging pots. Now they used face mask. And here's a Sprenger's asparagus fern. This is another species of spider plant. And I am done planting. Guys, I hope you learned something today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and push that notification bell to receive updates about my latest posts. Once again, thank you for watching and enjoy your day.